Welcome friends. Today we're going to do a short review of a very useful product. I've used it only a couple of days, so the only thing I won't be able to talk about is longevity, but when I used it I was very impressed with it, and I think it's a useful addition to your toolbox, and put it in every one of your cars if you have more than one car. Well, welcome to the show. If today is your first time visiting with us, enjoy the show. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe and let us know what you think of our shows. Comment, like and share our videos. So without any delay, let's move into the project. This is an Airhope Pro, and it is a tire inflator. This has impressed me. I've used it 3 times and it has really impressed me on a couple of levels. It is quite fast in inflating tires, much faster than I thought. Not quite as fast as an air tank, but definitely faster than the plug-in type, you know what you call them,
the portable plug-ins that you would use for your cigarette lighter or port.
I also like that this threads into your valve, so you don't have to be there holding it. It makes a very positive seal. And then when you turn it on, it tells you what is the current tire pressure, and then you can set it, I don't know, can you see? To what pressure you need, and it will automatically shut off when it reaches it.
Oh, that's nice.
And also it has, as you can see, a light, so even if you're at night, you can see what you're doing. And some more attachments that can help you feel, maybe, I think this is for balls like baseballs,
basketballs, any type of a sporting good that needs.
And this looks like you could do like a mattress or something like that. It has a very small battery that looks very similar to my Ryobi batteries actually, right? The battery is rechargeable in a very interesting way. It has a little plug-in there. Sorry, I'm going too fast?
No.
So you plug it in and then you go to a normal, to any plug you have, and there is an LED, and when that LED turns green, the device is fully charged. Very good. Additionally, if you find yourself without a battery, there is a battery looking charger that goes into your car adapter. If I can take it out. So you have more than one option.
So this would be like the plug-in adapter variety.
And since it works so well with the battery, I have no reason to believe, I did not try that clearly. As you can see, this was the first time I took it off. But since it works so well just with the battery, I have no reason to believe that it will not work well plugged in. And lastly, for some people that is important, it comes with a pouch that you can put everything in and have it nice in your car. Now, why I like this device? First of all, it's very light. You can hold it if you want, Elpida, see what you think.
Yeah.
Secondly, because you don't have to apply pressure, even if it is cold outside or something, once you set it, it is done. And because you don't have to use another device to measure the tire pressure, this is fantastic because it just stops. I mean, you don't even have to look at it. And yesterday, I checked it with my wife's car that her tire was low, and it was in total agreement with the TPMS pressure, you know.
Oh, that's good.
Both when I put it in, it told me the same low, and then when it finished and stopped. And you don't have to, another detail, if you see here there is a little button, so you don't have to hold the trigger, you just press it once and it locks. So you don't have to hold it the whole time. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
You don't have to hold it the whole time that you're pressing it, or if you need a little bit, you can. It does, depending, it doesn't, I forgot I took the battery out. But you can do PSI, which is the standard in North America, but you can also do kilopascals and you can do bars. So whatever you really like, you can actually do. And this comes off, so when you store it, it takes even less space. You know, it clearly will fit there nicely, and you will not bend this hose, so it will not fail. Now, the only thing I could not, in the time I've owned it, test was longevity. You know, how long will it last? But I will report on that in a couple of months. I'm sure we are going to use this a lot because lately we've had an epidemic of low tires. I don't know what happened. Tire flu?
Yeah.
I mean, something is happening. All our cars have low tires all of a sudden. A big part of that is probably the very cold temperatures we had, the very bad weather, right?
Right.
But we will see.
And a random nail here or there.
Right, yeah, the random nail here or there. So, I mean, I like this product so much that I could see myself putting one in each car. You know, on the kids' car, on your car, I mean, in every car.
And what's the price point?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. So if you find out the price point and it's reasonably priced, then it makes sense to put them in cars so you have them.
Right.
Otherwise, it's still a very nice shop tool to have, and much more portable than.
Oh yeah, I mean, if it is $200.
Than a big tank like this one that we have here, which we're normally hauling around, which does have wheels, but is not as portable as a drill type setup.
And I've definitely started being very impressed with the quality of air tools that don't use tanks. I mean, this is the second one. As you know, our nail gun, we have used in virtually every product for a year.
Right.
With absolutely no problem at all.
Well, and then you got the other gun that removes the lug nuts. That's also battery powered. That's
right. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
So this is the third air type battery operated.
Battery conversion, yeah.
And it is impressive. I mean, yesterday when we were doing it at night. The light worked beautifully, not having to play with a meter, you know, after you finish. You know it is done, it stops, you unplug it.
And so far it's been accurate, which is nice.
Very accurate. Actually, it seems to go about half a PSI above where you set it, and I'm sure that's because when you take it off, it loses a little bit. It has a threaded connection.
Threaded valve connection.
Right, and as you unthread it, you can hear a little bit of air comes off, and I think it goes half a PSI to maybe compensate for that.
Yeah, that sounds reasonable.
But it is consistent half a PSI, so it is not out of the. I am very, very impressed with it. I mean, you know, to be frank, I don't even know how they achieved it because it doesn't look. I mean, at least the air gun is very substantial, and our light gun.
Yeah.
Is very substantial.
Yeah, that one's very, very lightweight.
This is very light. Now, in all honesty, it's not the same caliber. This is all plastic. I mean, this is something you have to be a little gentle with. I'm sure if I drop it, it will break, you know. But that is true with virtually all of the plug-in types of air compressors that you can buy. But if it is in the same price range, I don't know what they are, between $30 and $40 or $50, the ones that we buy in the store.
Depends on the caliber that you purchase, yeah.
But if it is in that price range, it will definitely worth putting in every car. I mean, or do as a gift, slowly. I have a friend that she was pregnant last year, and that would be a great gift for her, you know, because she could have really refilled her tires without any strain on her, right?
Right.
And as I said, I will at a later time tell you how long it lasts. So far it is doing fine, and I'm trying to find here, if you can get the details of on the tag. But the name of it is the AirHawk Pro. If you have an interest, let me know, and I will find where you can purchase them. Just let me in the comments, and I will find a link for you guys. And that's all I have for you today. As we move on in the new years, and we are looking into improving the channel, I think doing reviews is something that most people seem to enjoy, right? And I hope you did enjoy this short episode. Again, on Wednesdays we do reviews, tips, tricks, and short videos of some type, right?
Yeah.
And if you did enjoy, please, what?
Right.
I know, I have to stop saying right, you know.
That's why I'm smiling. Right.
Maybe you need to just kick me or something, I don't know. If you like this video, please smash that like button. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share this video, comment if you like, and definitely subscribe to continue supporting our channels. Thank you for following us, and we have some neat surprises coming up, including a new channel we're working on, and we're going to probably unveil it sometime in February, right? So,
Right.
oh, come on! I was watching the other day one of our videos, and I told Elpida, I say right way too much, so it's probably annoying for you guys. I apologize. That's something I have to stop doing. I don't know how to stop doing it. I don't know why I started doing it.
Well, I'm going to give you a hard time until you stop, so
Huh?
there you go. I said I'll give you a hard time until you stop, so there you go.
How you're going to give me a hard time?
Right.
You sound like a duck
Right.
in that case. Alright folks, again thank you, and we're going to see you on Sunday with a build. Have a great week.